start off with a glowy primer balm from MISHA. Then I'm using a tinted moisturiser that I'm applying all over my face. And then I'm using a beauty blender to blend everything. And I've been really loving this product since I have nowhere to go, so it lets my skin breathe, and it's just so natural and so pretty on the skin. Like, oh my gosh, it's shiny! Moving on to the concealer, I'm using the Hyaluronic concealer from Colourpop, and I'm not applying much, just to the areas I want to highlight and conceal, and then blend. Honestly, this look is just inspired by the bottle of Gordon's gin and lemon, so I have no idea where's this look gonna take me, but hey, let's see. Then I'm applying a cream blush from CANMAKE in this bright red but pink shade on my cheeks. And I'm using my fingers because the pigmentation stays more, although it's hella pigmented in real life, I tell you. And then set with a pressed powder. Moving on to the contour and shading, I'm just going to shade my nose first, and then my jawline and the hollows of my cheeks. And then I'm dragging it across so it looks natural and not like dirt. And don't be scared of this because honestly, it doesn't really look like you have a dirt on your face. Moving on to the brows, I'm keeping it natural by just brushing them and applying brow gel because my eyebrows are blessed, so minimal attention is required. Then I'm priming my eyelids first using the concealer from earlier and then setting it. Then I'm using Treasure as my base, but you can barely see it because I'm tan AF, but it's this peachy shade and I'm going to apply all over. And then using the shade Dyed Up, which is a medium green, apply all over the crease like so. I think it has a lot of yellow undertones, so, you know, diffuse it like that. And then using the bold type shade, which is a Viridian dark green, apply all over the lid like so. And I'm diffusing it onto the crease and packing on the color. As you can see, it's struggling, but you know what? The end result was pretty, so trust the process. And then I'm using the shade Designer, which is a highlighter lime green with purple glitters on it to blend everything seamlessly. Moving on to the eyeliner, I'm using the ABH white color from the lip palette because I don't have a white eyeliner and beggars can't be choosers. But then there's no rules in makeup and there's no point in buying a product you're only gonna use once or twice, so might as well save. but I'm just gonna use a smaller detailed brush as well to perfect the wing. Then tightline your eyes with a brown gel liner. Then using the leftover green eyeshadow on your brush, use it to apply at the outer corners of your lower lash line. Then curl your bottom and upper lashes. I swear this tutorial is all over the place. But here's the trick. Grab a spoolie brush and comb through your lashes because it makes a difference of untangling your individual lashes like so. And then I'm using a brown mascara to apply all over my lashes because I think brown and green looks well together. And then we are finally using the Lucky Charm, which is a glitter yellow based shade, to highlight the inner corners of the eyes for that lemon pop. But also we're applying it on the middle part of our lower lash line. So yeah. And here's the look so far on our eyes. Moving on to the lips, using the same cheek product, I'm going to stamp it on my lips to create a flush of color. That's how pigmented this product is. And then I'm using a glittery gloss to finish the look on top. And then hold up before I forget, highlight the highest points of your face and features you want to bring out more. And you're done! Thank you so much for tuning in. This tutorial has been all over the place, but I really enjoyed playing with colors I never thought I would like. And see you guys on my next one. Bye!